layered with butter and mint chutney outside and with a chatpata chana stuffing inside. Today's recipe is a delicious street-style chana bread roll. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. Take 1 cup of Kabuli chana, chole or chickpeas. Add to a bowl, add water and soak overnight or for 8 hours. After 8 hours, the chana has soaked well. Drain the chana soaked water, rinse once or twice and add the chana to a pressure cooker. Add water. Chickpeas are rich in fiber, antioxidants and a good source of protein. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt, close the lid and pressure cook for 15 to 20 minutes. The chana has cooled down and cooked really well. Remove 3 to 4 teaspoons of chana from this to be added as such. Roughly mash the rest of the chana. Set aside. To prepare the other ingredients, chop 2 green chilies fine. Finely chop 1 medium-sized onion. Wash and chop a few coriander leaves fine. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes and cut into fine pieces. To prepare the filling, heat a fry pan. Add 1 teaspoon of unsalted or cooking butter. To this, add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix and fry for a few seconds until the raw smell goes. Now add the mashed chana. Add the whole chana that has been set aside. Mix everything and add half a teaspoon of salt. Salt has already been added at the time of boiling the chana. Add half a teaspoon of black salt or kala namak. Add the chopped green chilies. Add the chopped tomatoes. Mix and fry until the moisture in the tomatoes get absorbed. Switch off the stove and allow the mixture to cool. Once cool, transfer to a bowl. To this, add the chopped onions and the coriander leaves. Mix everything well. And make the chana mixture into oval shapes. To prepare the green chutney, to a mixer jar, add half a cup of washed and cleaned mint leaves, 1 cup of washed and cleaned coriander leaves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green chilies. Green chilies can be adjusted according to taste. 1 tablespoon of cooked chana. This helps to thicken the chutney. As I had chana, I'm using it. You can also use groundnuts or fried gram dal. Add half an onion, half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt. Squeeze the juice of half a lime. Lime will help retain the bright green color of the chutney. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ice cold water and a few ice cubes. This will help neutralize the heat generated at the time of grinding and thus help retain the green color. Grind to a smooth paste. You can see that the bright green color of the leaves have been retained in the chutney. This chutney is very delicious and versatile. You can use it as an accompaniment for snacks, sandwiches, chaats, and with breakfast too. Take the bread slices and trim the edges. I'm using regular bread. You can also use whole wheat millet bread. Take the trimmed bread slice and using a rolling pin, slightly flatten it. Flatten all the bread slices. Take butter and apply to one side of the bread slice. Take another slice and apply the green chutney to one side. Place the side on which the chutney has been applied over the buttered side of the bread. Similarly, apply butter and chutney and prepare the other bread slices. Place the prepared chana roll on the butter and chutney applied bread pieces. Apply a little bit of water on all the edges. Press the chana roll slightly, bring the edges together and seal from all the sides. Set aside. You can alternately apply water on all the sides, then place the roll and seal the edges. Stuff and prepare all the rolls the same way. Heat the fry pan, add butter, and place the prepared chana stuffed rolls. Keep turning the rolls until they are evenly browned all over. Once done, remove from the pan. Repeat with the other batch of rolls. Brush some butter on the sides of the roll. When fried like this, it turns out crisp. Now the chana stuffed bread rolls are ready. When cut, you can see the delicious, tangy chana stuffing inside with the buttered green chutney layer outside. Tastes good as such. Can be had with sauce too. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.